In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can prevent Google, Anthropic, and OpenAI from taking your private data and using it to train their generative AI model. In less than 5 minutes, we'll disable the setting in all three of their chatbots to protect your PII, your company data, anything that is of value. You don't want them training on that. So let's go. Okay, first up is ChatGPT. We see here that we've got our kind of typical ChatGPT screen. In the bottom left, you'll see your initials. And what we can do is go to settings. And the big one here, folks, is data controls, right? So improve the model for everyone. What this is going to do is allow for model improvement, which is just code for we're going to use your data to train our model, right? And we see that there's also voice mode and video. So we're giving it permission here or not, as I've done, to use our data to train their models. So I've turned all that off. I recommend you do the same thing. A couple other areas that we can look at is here in personalization. We see that there's something called Pulse that uses your memory to basically bring relevant information. It's kind of interesting, but I turn that off. Also, if we go to advanced, we see web search. Let ChatGPT automatically search the web for answers. So that's running queries based on your prompts. And that could include potentially confidential or sensitive information in those prompts. And we don't know where those are going or how those are stored. So you can turn that off if you like. All right, the next one is Gemini by Google. And I like this one. It's very simple and clean. And what I do is down here in the bottom left, we see my settings and help. I'm going to click that and I'm going to go to activity, the first choice actually. And when I go to activity, I'm going to see an option. Now, if I verify myself, I'll see all of my interactions and I can remove those individually. But what I really want to do to prevent from the model being trained with my data, you see it's kind of nice because it explains exactly what it's going to do up here. Keeping your activity lets you pick up chats, and it also helps improve Google services, including AI models. So that's a red flag. So what we'll do is we'll actually turn this off, and it gives you a little warning because it is kind of useful and convenient to have that activity there and available. But you know, your mileage may vary, as it should when you're talking about work data. Next up, let's look at Claude. These are all looking pretty similar to each other. So the same thing back in the bottom left-hand corner here, we're going to click on our little profile icon and we're going to go to settings. And what we're going to do is come down here to privacy, and we are going to uncheck help improve Claude. They're very clear that having this enabled allows the use of your chats and coding sessions to train and improve Anthropic AI models. Let's just shut that off. And that's the basics for Claude. And finally, today, I wanted to leave you with an alternative to these consumer tools that safely allows you to upload your company's sensitive information and by default does not train on your data. And that is Copilot Chat in Microsoft 365. And most organizations out there that use Microsoft 365 services will already have this. So go ahead and start using this today because it is usually already included with your Microsoft 365 licensing. And you can see that little green shield in the top right of Copilot Chat that indicates that all of your data is protected by something called Enterprise Data Protection, which is an agreement between your organization and Microsoft to protect your data. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.